What's up everybody, this is Saifur Rahman Azim and welcome back to Creator Fact. If you want to be a creator or YouTuber, this is the platform where you can get your more exclusive videos about YouTube marketing or video making guidelines. So on today's video, I'm going to share with you how you can customize your new YouTube channel to good looking or optimized on YouTube algorithm. So let's get started.
So my dear viewers, welcome back to our screen. So after creating a new YouTube channel, we can't see anything as like a professional YouTube channel like homepage customization, playlist, channel linking, about sections or channel description, and social media and other profile or cover picture as like any other YouTube channel. Like I am going to show you my Bengali channel, and that is it. Okay, this is the customized YouTube channel and this is a new YouTube channel. So now I'm going to show you how you can customize like this, and before that I am going to share with you necessary steps for channel customization. We have 6 steps for channel customization and we are going to one by one. Please watch the video to the end. Okay, so step number 1, and that is profile customization. Profile customization is your profile picture and your cover picture adding to your YouTube channel. So for that we have to go to our customized YouTube channel, or you have to select your profile picture and then go to YouTube Studio. After coming YouTube Studio, you have to go customization. Okay, after coming customization, you have to go to your branding section. After coming branding section, you have look here. Here we have uploaded an profile picture, and you can change anytime that. Okay, and we can see any kind of cover picture or any kind of channel art. For that, now we are uploading a cover picture. Okay, so you have to click on the upload and you have to select your cover picture. We have made a cover picture for our YouTube channel. If you want to get a video about making cover picture for YouTube channel, please comment below. For that, I will make a video about making cover picture on your phone or your any website without using any Photoshop or illustration. Okay, so we have select our cover picture, then done. After giving done, you have see here attached a cover picture, and after that you are seeing here video watermark. If you want to give any video watermark, you can select here, or if you don't want to give, you can skip this. So if you want to give any watermark, then that size should be 150 into 150 pixels. So we are going to upload a watermark logo, and that is 8. Okay, just for understanding, it's not for our channel. Okay, then publish. After giving publish, just see how changes are made. Reload, and wow, this is the look. Okay, so we have done our first step of our channel customization, profile picture and cover picture. And after that, step number 2 is create video playlist. You have to create video playlist, and for that you have to go to playlist section of your YouTube channel, YouTube Studio, and then you have to select new playlist. After that, you have to put here your playlist name like assignment, create, any other, cover song, and we want any more news. Okay, we have created 3 playlists, and now we have to include the playlists from our YouTube content. So for that you have to go your details icon, click here, and then you have to go to your playlist section, and here you can see 3 playlist for your YouTube channel. And now we are selecting the channel playlist, video playlist. Okay, so this is the cover song. For that we have select cover song, and assignment also, it was our assignment also done. Okay, and after that this is the cover song also, and here we will select cover song and assignment both. After that we have to give save. Now we are going to studio, and now we reload our YouTube channel and go to playlist. You can see here cover song, assignment, 2 playlist and 2 playlist content are visible here. Okay, so our playlist creating is completed. Now we are going to our step number 3. On the step number 3 we see customize homepage. Exactly, homepage customization is very important for your YouTube channel, like our professional YouTube channel. After doing homepage customization, your channel look will 100% changed for the optimized YouTube channel. Okay, so for that we have to go to our customization section, and here you can see you can add some sections for your YouTube channel. Before that you have to video spotlight ad. Okay, for that channel trailer, for people who haven't subscribed you, we are adding a video, and that is this. And feature video you can select returning subscribers for you, we are uploading this. Okay, so you can change anytime, anywhere your trailer video or returning subscriber video. Okay, and after that we see here featured sections. Customize the layout of your YouTube channel homepage with up to 12 sections. You can add here 12 sections up to. Okay, so at first we are adding a section, and that is popular uploads, and then we are going to a single playlist, and that is cover song, and after that we are going to a single playlist, and that is assignment, and after that we are going to set a section that is with multiple playlists, and we are covering here cover song, assignment, and news, etc., and done. And this section name is more exclusive contents. So our more exclusive contents, and done. So after that we just click here publish. After giving publish, now you are going to watch some magic, and that is reload. Wow, our channel has been completed for the homepage customization. Okay, so we are coming to the 4th step of our YouTube channel customization, and that is link your other channels. You can link your other channels to your YouTube channel for here. Okay, and for that we have to go to our customization sections, and here you can see add featured channel. Okay, add featured channel. Here we our another channel written, and then we search our another channel. This is our another channel, and we have also another channel. This is our another channel. Okay, we have selected our another channels. Then we go to the done. Okay, so after doing that we have to give publish. After giving publish, if we reload here, now after reloading our channel we can see our other channel. Okay, we have successfully completed our other channels putting, and after that the most important thing is chapter number 5, and that is write an about channel description. Okay, about your channel, what kind of your channel and what is the content you are uploading on your YouTube channel. We have written a YouTube channel about section for saving your time, and we just copied that, and we are go to our channel studio, customization and basic info. Then we have paste here our description. After that we are going to publish, and now we have to reload. Wow, our description has been added. And after that we are going to our chapter number 6, and that is link to social media. Your channel is going to link for social media. Okay, and for that we have to go to our customization section, and here you can see add social media link, add link to sites you want to share with your viewers. Okay, so for that we write here Facebook, and then we have put here our Facebook profile or Facebook page URL, facebook.com/SRAjimOfficial. Okay, our Facebook URL is put it here, but you have to include https// okay, now publish, done. And now we have to reload. After that you can see here and here your YouTube channel link customized your social media include. Okay, so if your viewers click to Facebook link, he will go to your Facebook profile or Facebook page, and if your audience also click here, he will go to your Facebook page. Okay, you can also add here your another social media like Instagram, Twitter and LinkedIn, etc, etc. So after that we have some strategic customization without these steps, because our 6 steps is complete, but we have some strategic ideas or some strategic customization settings that you have to put your YouTube channel. And that is, you have to go to your settings section, and then you have to go your channel about, then you have to select country. After that we are selecting Canada, and then we have to put here some channel keyword like batch 24 JCMS SUB. This is a keyword, batch 24 a keyword, JCMS a keyword, SUB a keyword, State University of Bangladesh a keyword. So here you have to put some searchable keyword that audience are sometimes and over more and more searching on YouTube search algorithm or search bar, that include your YouTube channel to ranking on YouTube. Okay, if you do not put your keywords here, your channel will not customized or will not optimized for the search engine optimization on YouTube. Okay, after that you have to include here advanced settings for COPPA children, for COPPA Children's Online Privacy Protection Act of and other laws. For that, do you want to your channel as made for kids? Is you made your channel videos for children's or adults? So here, no, set this channel as not made for kids. I never upload content that made for kids. Or if you made videos for children's, then you can yes set this channel as made for kids. And if you set made for channels for made for kids, your channel will change to your channel ads won't be personalized, your ads won't be personalized, notifications, comments and stories will be disabled. Okay, so we want to set no, set this channel as not made for kids. Okay, after that all as it is, then that, okay, then we have to go to save section. After doing that, now we are going to watch our main YouTube channel and customize YouTube channel. Wow, this is the thing we have done here. So if you like this video and you have benefited from it, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. I'm not expert on English, but I want to share my content worldwide to you guys, and you guys are my support. Okay, so today goodbye for now, see you soon, bye bye.